everyone, my name is Mandi Lynn. I'm an author, the creator of AuthorTube Academy, and also a book cover designer. And today, we're here for a very special unboxing. So it has been ages since I've done an unboxing, and today I'm doing an unboxing with Moon nonetheless. And I'm doing this unboxing because Book of the Month now has a YA box. So for those of you who aren't familiar with Book of the Month is basically probably the most popular book subscription box out there, where they give you 5 books and you choose which one you want shipped to your house. You get it in a cute little box, you open it, you read it, it's awesome. And up until now, it's only ever been adult books. And recently, I got an email from the team over at Book of the Month saying that they are starting their first ever YA box, and that they wanted to see if I wanted to be an affiliate, and I said yes, absolutely. I have never been so excited to say yes. So I am an affiliate, which means that if you do purchase using my link below, I will get a small commission. If you don't purchase, that's totally fine, but if you do purchase, that'd be awesome. I am so excited because Book of the Month always chooses amazing quality books. I have not been subscribed to them before, but I will admit I kind of use them to help curate my own reading list. So before I unbox it, the way it works is that if you subscribe to the YA Book of the Month, is you basically have 5 YA books to choose from. They do tend to range in genres, so odds are you'll find something you'll enjoy. So I chose my book, so I do know what box is in here. What I didn't know, and I may have opened this box off camera because I was too excited, but they also include goodies, and I did not know that. If we open the box here, this lovely pink box, I am so excited to say they included a cookie. And not only did they include a cookie, but they included these cute little pins. And last but not least, we also have the book itself. So the book I chose is Past Perfect Life by Elizabeth Elberg. And I'm just gonna read you the synopsis real quick just so you can get a feel for it. Allie Smith loves her small town life just the way it is, spending quality time with her widowed father and his tight-knit circle, including her best friend Marion and maybe more than friends Neil. And after Allie's life is blown apart, suddenly she learns she's not Allison Smith. Her real name is Amanda, and she's been missing for more than 15 years. Was everything before a lie? And what will she do as now comes crashing down around her? So if anyone who knows my reading taste, you know that I love murder mysteries or missing person cases, so this is right up my alley. One of my favorite things about Book of the Month is that they do have these little symbols on all their books. So the longer you're subscribed, the longer your collection grows, and you can just have a whole bookshelf full of these Book of the Month books. Now, I know what you guys are all thinking. Does the cookie taste good? So I'm gonna be kind enough and I'm gonna answer this question for you. This looks like a beautiful, beautiful sugar cookie, which is my favorite type of cookie. Oh my god. I think I'm gonna eat this whole cookie. But I'll do that off camera so you guys don't have to watch me. Now, I don't know if cookies come in every box, but I hope they do. That's all I'm gonna say about that. Not only am I excited about the book and the cookies, but I am excited about the pins, because I do have a bit of my own little pin collection going. So I can't wait to read this book. I think I'm gonna bring it with me on vacation. I now have like 3 books I'm bringing with me on vacation, but yeah, so I'm excited. I hope you guys are excited as I am, because anyone who knows Book of the Month knows they select amazing books, and I just can't wait to dive into this one. If you have a favorite book subscription box, let me know in the comments down below. I personally, if I could, I'd be subscribed to all of them, but unfortunately, I am too broke for that. Thank you all for watching. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe.